as part of your project, we're looking at the outside of the campus, pad mount transformer, an overhead line that comes up over the hill from 60.
I think so, but 10th. Yeah.
So the primary line overhead is underground, comes into the pad mount transformer. The primary voltage is 13.8 kV. Then it transforms at 600 volt 227 and goes underground into the electrical room. And we'll have a look in the electrical room of the college to look at the distribution part of it and refer to it on the one-line diagram. Okay.
We need a diagram.
Another part, or towards the end of your research project, we are now in the college main electrical room. Look at the one-line diagram. The pad mount transformer outside is the first part, top left of the drawing. Pad mounted switchgear transformer. From there, it comes into the building where it's GFI breaker. And this is rated at, what is it again, Phil? 1600 or 1200 amps? 1600 amp main breaker, 600 volts. It's a 600 347 volt system where 347 volts is available any phase to neutral. The main distribution panel here is the first part. The vertical portion showing all the breakers inside the dotted line. MS 6A1, 347, 600 volt. It should say 1600 amp, not 600 amp. 3-phase, 4-wire, 35 KA interrupting circuit. So from this main distribution 600 volt, there are a couple of transformers in this room. TX1. Very top, single line diagrams. TX1, 600, 122, 08 volt, 112.5 kVA transformer. It's delta Y connected, and it feeds over to room 119, where there's a 400 amp, 122, 08 volt panel there. The transformer over here, which is fed from MS6A1, transformer TZ, which is 1, 2, 3, fourth breaker from the bottom on the distribution part of the one-line diagram, 100 amp breaker, and it does feed into room A120, the panel in there, which we used to use for electrical. So on the one-line diagram, room 507 is the electrical room downstairs still. So on the one-line diagram, you want to find the end would be lighting panel DB, room 507. We'll have time in there. That's a whole new. We'll have a look in there. But the idea is to follow from the main distribution. It's a 400 amp breaker. The line says basement electrical room 507. Goes to a 600 volt panel in room 507. From there, a 200 amp breaker feeds another 112 kVA transformer, 600 delta to 122.8Y, to room 507, where there's a 100 amp breaker, feeding lighting panel D in room 507. That's where you should highlight that from point to point, the main distribution to the panel in the electrical lab. This one-line diagram will be on Blackboard, or I do have copies that I can make accessible that you can put them in your research project.